Welcome to our small space laundry showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two portable washing machines. The Comfee portable washing machine, which offers a compact yet powerful solution for your laundry needs, and the Foldable portable washing machine, designed for maximum portability and ease of use. We'll look at their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your lifestyle. When it comes to price, the Comfee portable washing machine is priced at $259, which reflects its full automatic capabilities and larger capacity. In contrast, the Foldable portable washing machine is a much more affordable option at just $69, making it an attractive choice for those on a budget or looking for a quick laundry solution. In terms of capacity, the Comfee portable washing machine offers a substantial 0.9 cubic feet, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry with ease. On the other hand, the Foldable mini washer has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller, specialized loads like baby clothes or delicate items. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry routine depending on your needs. The Comfee portable washing machine is a full automatic washer, meaning you can set it and forget it, while it handles the entire washing process, including rinsing and spinning. In contrast, the Foldable mini washer operates semi-automatically, requiring manual intervention for rinsing and spinning. This can be a crucial factor for users who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. In conclusion, both the Comfee portable washing machine and the Foldable mini washer have their unique advantages. The Comfee is ideal for those who prioritize automation and capacity, while the Foldable is perfect for users seeking portability and affordability. Depending on your laundry needs and living situation, one of these machines could be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.